This is the hotel room tour. So this is my hotel. I got this for about 230 rupees, which is about $3. And that's including breakfast, so can't get any better than that. Check this out. I mean, this looks way better than I did in the pictures. The pictures are actually pretty terrible of some worn out old room. So I wasn't really sure, but, and I definitely was not expecting this for 230 bucks. So, yeah, I mean, it's this is kind of it. They have this little storage area with all these tiny little, what do you call these? I forgot. Damn, can't remember. Whatever. Sculptures or whatever. Action figures. That's the word I was looking for. Alright, so we have this little sculptures, which is a plus. Got a little bit of storage. Extra blanket. Not extra, that's the only blanket, but I'm sure they'll give you an extra one if you want. Tiny little TV, which I'm probably not going to use. And a little bit of a table. There's a mirror. And yeah, that's about it. We got 2 chairs and a table as well. So we got a little bit of a working space where I can sit and edit videos. So I think it's a pretty good deal. The only thing I do not like about this place is the way to get here. It's pretty bad. It's a dirt road, and it being the monsoon season, the roads are full of sludge and yeah, it's pretty terrible. So yeah, that's it for the tour. I mean, this is the bathroom. Most people don't want to look at the bathroom, but you can take my word that it's pretty good, pretty clean. So that's it, and then I'm gonna head out and explore this town a little bit. It looks really interesting. It's nothing like I've seen before, so I'm excited to explore.